For a brand new modeler, Vinci have the new pedal handle. Features a grip, so even with wet paint, I'm not going to lose my grasp on the brush. And the ergonomic handle that makes it very comfortable for spreading over large areas. Pedal modelers come in 3 different fibers, so which fiber for which use? Well, I say the stiffer the paint, the stiffer the brush. So for very heavy body paints and for gels, I would use this very strong Impasto. Conversely, the softer the paint, the softer the brush. So for more fluid acrylic colors, I would use this lovely silky fit Bristle. And for most of my work, gessoing, large area coverage, I would use the synthetic Bristle. You see the little tree? This means the wood is eco-forestry.